Hello everybody. This is a video on my Hoover how is it? Concept 1. It doesn't say Concept 1, but it's got the Hoover logo. Oh, there it is. Right down there. It's missing the bulbs and the lens cover, but get this. It was only $6. I thought I made a video of this, but I guess I didn't upload it. I don't know what the hell. This is one with 2 speeds, but unfortunately the second speed on the switch doesn't work. It has the automatic retracting cord. There's the brush roll, still in decent shape. It just needed a belt, and I found a belt, stuck it on there. The power drive belt was a little worn, but it still works. So let me put down something to vacuum. Oh yeah, I got something in the fold away. Oh yeah, I got a new filter for the fold away too. I keep on forgetting to bring it up. Oh shit, I don't need that much. Let's put most of that back in there. There we go. Good old pine needles. Almost said pine cones. At least that smells good for dirt to demonstrate with. As you can see, down here it has self-adjusting plush or shag. I'll leave it in self-adjusting. In this model, it has a button release right here. And for that, you just pull down the button, and then you can push it without having the handle slide up and down. It locks the handle in place, which is better than the newer or the older ones. It had these buttons that slid across, and they just kind of came apart. I have one, I guess I can show. I just put belts on this one too. See, this is the other model. And this is the other handle. So for drive control, there's on. If you slide it to off, then it's going to fall. But there's off, on, then you push it more, and then it's power surge. You hold it in there for more power. And this whole thing kind of settles on one screw, and up here in the handle it's kind of broken, so it's really fragile. So anyway, enough of that. Let's get to the demo. Wow, not bad at all. Zoom in. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's a pretty darn good pass. So let me just get the rest of that. that runs pretty damn good for a 30-year-old vacuum. Or 29 or whatever the hell. Yeah, pretty close to 30 or more. Here's the tag on the bottom. Let's see if I can. Hoover model U3105, 5.6 amp, serial number 001-02791. That's why I think it's a 91 model. Made in USA, North Canton, Ohio. Let me turn on a light. Here we go. Oops. There's the tag. Anyway. So yeah, that was a pretty good purchase. And to wrap it up, take the cord out. Alright, so I guess while I'm out here I might as well plug in the other concept one. Here's the brush roll on this one. It looks like this one's a different design. And this one, the model number. Here's the service tag. Model U3315070. So what, this one's from the 70s? Serial number 078900072269. Oh wow, this part's plastic on this one. That one, all of this is metal. See that? I guess the brush strip is the same design. But all this, that's heavy duty metal. You can kill somebody with that much weight. Okay, so I'll just plug this in, give it a quick spin. Some more pine needles. Oh shit. Close enough. Okay. And Well, while I'm up here, somebody has been, I'm sorry I don't remember your YouTube channel, but they've been wanting me to do a little play around video with the Phantom. So, let's do it. Cup's completely empty. As empty as it's going to get. This is one thing I like about the Phantom. It's got weird, wonky cup design. Come on. Gotta hold my mouth just right. What the hell? Come on. I'm sorry I've been neglecting you. See how that works. It's also, I got dusty from all the times I've been playing around with it. Need to leave the Windex up here. Okay, so take this cord off, throw this shit to the side, and I'm going to do this demonstration to show if there's anything that the Hoovers have left behind. Get the cord out of the way. It's got a new belt. So it should be, yeah, pretty good. I love the brush roll on this. It sounded like there's something rubbing or something, but oh, here we go. There's strings. That will do that. Okay. So, what did the Phantom get that the Hoover concept ones left behind? Answer: wow. Quite a bit. So if there's anybody out there that aren't fans of Phantoms and they only like bag machines, I mean, granted, those two machines are quite old. This machine's from, what, early 2000s? But look at that. That's That's quite amazing. And I didn't put it in the lowest setting. I did for a moment, but then I thought, well, I don't want to be too unfair. And there was a couple little pine needles right here, right by the tripod, that I didn't bother to get because, you know, this is just to show how good the Fantom is. However, the design is not the best. I mean, all this cone, what do you call it? Oh wait, does it come out? You can twist it. I never knew that, but it does not come out. So if you got a brush, which I got so many attachments, I should be able to find one. Where are you? Wow. I gotta find one little brush attachment. What the hell? They have all ran off. Wait, oh, here's one. I figured out 40 damn vacuums I can find. Yeah, there's another one. This will work. So you take a brush attachment, do that action, and I have never done that on this vacuum. And that's when the bagless machine isn't such a clean idea. I guess the better idea would be do this while it's put in another vacuum, but oops. There we are. Now, I get another machine with a hose. Oh, shoot. Another machine with a hose. Here we go, this will work. The Eureka Victory. That's got a bag. Does not have a quick release hook, though. Plug the sucker in. There we go. And this is the way we vacuum our vacuum. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. That goes there. That goes there. This is something. This is another something. It's missing the lid to the air filter thing, so whatever. Okay. Now, while we're still rolling, let me take this dust cup. Oh! Vacuum up the rest that was in the dust cup. Alright, now that the whole cup, well, it's not spotless, but I vacuumed it out. And this, what's it called? Multicyclonic thingamajig is brushed and cleaned out. Talk to it dirty. And you put it back in. Now, one more time, see if we get any more stuff. So much for a new belt. Wow. Looky there. I still got more stuff. Not bad. So it just proves to show you can just keep vacuuming and get more stuff. But it also proves that, you know, you got to clean your cyclone to suck up everything. But the proof's in the pudding. It sucked up what the direct air machine left behind. So that's what I wanted to demonstrate. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Shit, that was a long video.